Welcome to Mathorio. Let's learn math together. Vertex form is a way of writing a quadratic function that makes it easy to identify the vertex of the parabola. Y equals a times x minus h squared plus k, where k is the vertex, highest or lowest point. A determines the direction and width of the parabola if a is greater than 0. Parabola opens upward, vertex is minimum, if a is less than 0. Parabola opens downward, vertex is maximum, if a is greater than 1. Parabola is narrower if a is less than 1. Parabola is wider. The axis of symmetry is the vertical line x equals h. Why does this matter? Vertex form is incredibly useful because it immediately reveals key information about a parabola. Physics. When you throw a ball, vertex form tells you the maximum height and when it occurs. Business. Finding the price that maximizes profit or minimizes cost. Engineering. Designing parabolic mirrors and satellite dishes that focus at a specific point. Architecture. Creating arches and bridges with precise highest/lowest points instead of calculating the vertex from standard form. Vertex form gives you the answer directly. Try this interactive visualization on Mathorio to explore the concept yourself. Pause the video and visit Mathorio.com to practice with our hands-on tools. Example 1. Identifying the vertex. Let's look at find the vertex of y equals 2 times x minus 3 squared plus 5. Step 1. Identify the form. This is in vertex form. Y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. This gives us a equals 2, h equals 3, k equals 5. Step 2. Find h, x coordinate. In x minus h squared, we have x minus 3 squared, so h equals 3. This gives us h equals 3. Step 3. Find k, y coordinate. The constant at the end is k equals 5. This gives us k equals 5. Step 4. Write the vertex. Vertex equals h, k. This gives us 3, 5. The answer is, the vertex is 3, 5. Since a equals 2 is greater than 0, the parabola opens upward, so 3, 5 is the minimum point. Example 2. Handling negative signs. Let's look at find the vertex of y equals minus times x plus 4 squared minus 2. Step 1. Rewrite to match vertex form. Y equals minus times x plus 4 squared minus 2 equals negative 1 times x minus negative 4 squared plus times negative 2. This gives us vertex form identified. Step 2. Identify h. X plus 4 equals times x minus negative 4, so h equals negative 4. This gives us h equals negative 4. Step 3. Identify k. The constant is negative 2, so k equals negative 2. This gives us k equals negative 2. Step 4. State the vertex. Vertex equals h, k equals times negative 4, negative 2. This gives us negative 4, negative 2. The answer is, the vertex is negative 4, negative 2. Since a equals negative 1 is less than 0, the parabola opens downward, so negative 4, negative 2 is the maximum point. Let's review the key points. First, vertex form is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k, where k is the vertex. Second, if a is greater than 0, the parabola opens upward, vertex is minimum. Third, if a is less than 0, the parabola opens downward, vertex is maximum. Point 4. The axis of symmetry is the vertical line x equals h. Point 5. Watch the signs x plus 4 squared means h equals negative 4, not h equals 4. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more math lessons, and visit Mathorio.com to practice.